and to even put a little more nuance on it is that if 15 people liked it, probably 100 people liked it but didn't do anything, right? Or just some big number.
Oh, of course.
Right.
Yes.
If it's just we're so focused, or not focused, but maybe it's just me, so I only speak to myself, but being focused on these numbers and thinking, and I remember who did we have on the show years ago? Paul, he had a company that made conference tables, and he wrote a book called Boss Life or something. Remember that?
Okay.
He asked us about the show, and he said, well, how many downloads you get? And at that time, it was like, I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago, you're like, well, we only get about 3,000. We get about 3,000 downloads a week. And he was like, hey, don't downplay that. He's like, that's amazing. Why is that not good?
Why is that not good? I know.
And so we just kind of get this perspective of vast numbers because the internet's, ginormous. And so give yourself some credit that if you have an impact on one person, and you connect with them, those are the things that are really crucial. And those are the things that stand out.